Properties of natural resources. Subject Science. Standard 7th, Part 3 Soil. Soil occurs in various colors such as black, red, copper, yellow, grey. Soil gets into its color due to several processes. Soil color near land surface is darker than color of lower layers. Properties of soil. Color. The colors of soil are useful for classification. Various properties of soil, such as fertility, drainage of water, capacity to hold water, become clear from its color. The color of the soil depends upon the texture, organic ingredients, and chemical ingredients like iron, lime. Soil texture. It can be determined by the proportion of particles of various sizes in it. Types of soil. Sandy soil. The proportion of sand, large particles, is high in this type of soil. Water drains rapidly through sandy soil. It is easy to plow this soil. Sandy soil is made up of mineral called silicon dioxide. These particles do not dissolve in water and thus the capacity of soil to supply nutrients is very low. Therefore, sandy soil is less fertile. Slate soil. The particles of slate soil are medium size. Slate soil is not as plowable as sandy soil. However, it is much more plowable than clay soil. Slate soil contains a large proportion of organic materials. Unlike sandy soil, the capacity of slate soil to supply nutrients is much greater. It is also called as sedimentary soil. Clay soil. Proportion of small particles in maximum type of soil and particles of clay soil feel smooth to touch. Clay soil has a higher water holding capacity. Soil structure. Soil structure depends upon the different shapes of particles in it. Soil occurs in the form of columnar, laminar, granular, as well as block and shape structure. The importance of soil structure. The fertility of soil depends upon the soil structure. Following are the advantages of good soil structure. First is roots are supplied with sufficient amount of oxygen. Second one, roots of plants grow well as water drainage is good. Uses of soil. First use is plant conservation. Helps plant to grow. Water conservation. Soil holds water, therefore by means of burnt sand lakes, we can get water for use throughout the year. Plasticity. It is because of property of soil we can use it for making articles of various shapes. The articles made from soil are water storage, earthen pots, earthen lamps, idols, bricks. These articles are baked in order to make them hard. Some useful types of soil. China clay, kaolin. It is white in color, used for making crockery, bathroom tiles, tanks, laboratory apparatus, masks, jars. China clay is an industrial mineral of types of kaolinite. It is found in China and hence called China clay. The soil acquires a glaze and hardness upon heating. Therefore, it is used for making crockery. Shadow soil. It is whitish in color. It is used for making statues and idols. These types of soil we used for making Ganpati. Terracotta soil. This type of soil is red in color. Decorative articles and pots are used for growing plants are made from this soil. Multani soil. It is used in cosmetics. Soil testing. Soil testing can be used to determine the proportion of various ingredients of soil. The soil is examined for color, texture, and the proportion of organic matter during soil testing. Texture of soil is disturbed if the chemical fertilizers are used in excess and the land become infertile. Soil is tested to find out the deficiency of any ingredients and measures to be taken to remove the deficiency. The soil sample is collected for testing and derived in an open space in the shade of 8 to 10 days. It is then shifted through a sieve. The pH and electrical conductivity test are useful in determining the characteristics of soil. The Danish scientist Sorensen put forth the concept of pH based on the concentration of hydrogen ions. pH of soil is determined using a mixture of water and soil in proportion 1:2 and several indicators. Accordingly, soil may be found to be one of the following types: acidic soil, pH less than 6.5; neutral soil, pH 6.5 to 7.5; alkaline soil, pH higher than 7.5. World Soil Day, 5th December, to make efforts for conservation of soil. Causes of diminished soil fertility. Soil pH less than 6 or higher than 8. Low proportion of organic matter, no proper drainage of water, repeated cultivation for same crop, excessive use of chemical fertilizers and pesticides. These are causes of diminished soil fertility. In order to maintain the fertility of land, crops should be rotated. Leguminous crops like peanut, mood bean, pea, lentil, Bengal gram, soya bean should be cultivated to restore the fertility after harvesting wheat. Thank you for watching the video.